Hello, friends. I hope you all are enjoying this new learning. This learning through technology. And today, once again, I am your Oniri ma'am, and I am here with a writing topic belongs to category of writing skills, and that is the diary writing. I hope you enjoy this session. Okay, it's a very good one. It's a kind of personal writing because diary is always a kind of personal thing, so it is very much um, regarded your personal writing and how it is also helps you to improve your language. You can write down your day to day life and the whatever whatever happening in your day to day life, that you can write down in your diary and with a date, day and time, and it will help you to improve your language as well as your writing skills. So I hope this will help you in your examination as well as in your real life. Yes, as I told you, that diary writing, it is really helpful to improve your language and writing skills, and as well as is a personal type of writing. In this, date, day and time is most needed thing. Okay, and it will really help you to get scores in your examination. Okay, as well as it is really helpful in your own personal life too. Okay, what is a diary writing? So diary is a kind of a personal document. It records an individual's account of a day of his or her life. So you can record your particular day, okay, which you really want to make its documents, or your day to day life, or some particular day which you really want to preserve in your diary with the help of the words, then you will definitely write these things. Diary is a personal document of an individual to store his or her emotions. Generally, we are using words to describe our emotions, our thoughts, our feelings on daily basis. Okay, so this is the personal document, and we are using this individual. It is a document of individual, and it helps his or her, it helps to uh, describes, okay, our emotions, our thoughts or feelings in a daily basis. You can write about whatever you like, free of outside judgment or criticism, because your personal diary is supposed to be your personal one. So without you, nobody will read it. So you can write about whatever you like. Make yourself free of outside judgment or criticism, that what others will think, that if you are writing this kind of a things. So that won't be happen, because it is your personal document and you are free to write whatever you want to like. So there is no need to feeling fear of the outside judgment or their criticism. It should be an extension of your mind. It is the extension of your mind. So how far your mind will go and how far you will discover the things, that is the important aspect. Safe and free. You are safe at whatever you want to write. And free to write whatever you want to write, because you haven't any fear that someone is reading it, then they are putting their own criticism. That is not happening in your personal diary. So you are free from, you are free and safe for writing anything. A diary can be whatever you decide and should be placed where you can be honest. Okay, so whatever you decide, you should write it. It's a kind of place where you can be honest. So whatever you want to write, you can write in your personal diary. So there is no need to feel frightened to write down a particular thing or the truth of your life, because no one is there to judge you. Reflection and emotions. Since a diary entry is a personal document, as I told you, it is a personal document, so it should reveal the emotions and reflections of the writer. So we are using this diary to to reveal our emotions and reflection of the writers. To do this, ensure you write about the feelings and thoughts of the writer. Use appropriate adjectives and adverbs to convey your emotions. Okay, so you are writing about the feelings and thoughts of the writer. So use appropriate adjectives and adverb to convey your emotions powerfully. Okay. First person narration, because you are writing about your own self. So first person narration we use when making a diary entry, because it is a document we write about events from our own point of view, and that is why we use pronouns like I or we in a first person narration. Okay, because we are writing about ourselves, our point of view of a looking of a particular thing. So that is why first person narration is most important while you are writing a diary. You can use I or we. Okay, in a plural form, we, you can use that. So remember that always use first person narration, as it is diary entry and it's a document or events from our own personal point of view. Date in diary entry. So you are supposed to write day and date together, like Wednesday 28 June 2070, or rather you can separate this like date 28th June 2017. As I told you, that month should be written in the in its spelling. So you have to spell out your this month spelling rather than putting the number of a particular month. So 28 June 2017, day is Wednesday and time is 10 p.m. So this is how you have supposed to write date, day and time. So this is the example of a diary entry. So date is 28 June 2017, day was Wednesday, time is 10 a.m. 10 p.m. Dear diary, I woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning. We had breakfast and dressed up. Today, we all went to the Fantasize amusement park near Pune. We started from home at 7 o'clock. As soon as we reached there, we bought our tickets and went inside. I was so excited seeing the rides. Okay, so here is a person, particular person is writing his experience about Fantasize amusement park near Pune, where they visited. Okay, so so he or she is writing that we started our journey from our home at 7 o'clock. As soon as they reach over there, they bought a ticket and went inside. I was so excited seeing the rides. Rides, it's always making us excited. Okay, my parents and brother liked the Thunderfall ride. My favorite rides were Water Splash, Caterpillar ride, wave pool, and pirate ships. After a couple of hours, we had our lunch. In the afternoon, we had the scariest ride, that the space gun. We got back to our home in the evening. It was great day and I enjoyed a lot. So whatever you have feel over there, that you have to write down in a minimum words, like 50 words. Okay, so diary entry should be in a limited words. So always remember that your stuff, whatever you want to express or explain, that should be precise one. I hope you get idea that this is how you are supposed to write about a particular topic which is given to you in your examination. Okay, example 2. So here another example, that you have recently visited the 24th Crafts Mela at Suraj Kund, Faridabad. It was mini India assembled at one place. Using the hints, make a diary entry of what you saw and experienced over there. So you have visited 24th Craft Mela at Suraj Kund in Faridabad. So how was your experience, that you have supposed to write down with the help of given hints. In your examination they won't give you any hint, but here I am giving it, so you will get a better idea that okay, if you are facing some particular topic, then what you have supposed to write down about a particular topic. Okay, more than 20 states of India represented. Rajasthan, the theme state. Participation of foreign countries also. Cultural program, dance at chapel and rangmanch, food court, catering, all kinds of foods, arts and handicrafts from the awarded artisans. So this is how you have supposed to added the things, that okay, more than 20 states of India represented. Then Rajasthan is the theme of the state. Then foreign countries also participated. Cultural programs are there, dances at chapel, then rangmanch, then food court, catering, all kinds of food, art and handicrafts. So this is how you have supposed to write down about a particular topic, like you have visited 24th craft mela. So what should be there in your craft mela, and you're supposed to write according to that. Okay, so here they suggest that you are supposed to write down the place, like New Delhi, 20th March 2017, 18, whatever, Monday 8 p.m. Dear Diary, the Crafts Mela at Suraj Kund was much more impressive and grand than what I had imagined. Means it is beyond my imagination. It is too impressive and grand than what I have imagined. This year the theme state was Rajasthan. Today the theme state is Rajasthan. The whole campus was painted with the visual of Ranthambore, Chittor, Jodhpur and Jaisalmer. So these different cities of Rajasthan make its beauty, and that is why they have created such a this visuals of Ranthambore, Chittor, Jodhpur and Jaisalmer. It was mini India assembled on a few hundred acres of land. Okay, all the awarded artisans from different states had set up their workshop and stall there. So every art and craft artman and a craftsman has arranged their own workshop and stalls over there. Many countries, more particularly Pakistan, Nepal, and Afghanistan, gave it an international look. So these students are also invited to participate in this kind of international event. Bangles, jewelry, decoration places, wall hangings, purses, shoes, saris, garments, and cosmetics found thousands of buyers. So this item should be there in a different stall. Okay, every evening there were cultural shows at the chapel and the Rangmanch. The food court provided all kind of delicious for food lovers. Basically, it was India in all its colors, taste, and sounds scattered on the arrival Arvalli Hills. And at the last, the name of the writer, Samir, or whatever you have supposed to write, or rather they are giving you, then it's okay. If they are not, then you are supposed to write down. So this is how this, you know, this craft mela, how you feel, what sort of things you are supposed to write down in your diary writing. So I hope you have a better idea that the different stalls are there, artists are there, they are dealing with their workshop, or the different stalls were there. The variety of food, variety of taste, means food suggests to taste. These garments and saris and shoes and purses suggest to a colors and sounds scattered on the Arvalli hills. Okay, as Rajasthan belongs to this Arvalli hills. So this is how you can write down in your diary entry. Yes, to sum up, I would like to say that diary writing is always a very good kind of thing to improve your knowledge, to improve your writing skills, as well as anytime you want to improve any language. This diary is given you a very good opportunity to um, improve your particular skills of writing, and it is give you a very good and a vast chance to express your emotions and feelings without any kind of fear of criticism or the other reader, because diary is your personal diary, is your own, and it is not at all a matter of others reading, other matter of others reading and criticism. It is always about yourselves only, and it is limited to you only. So that is why feel free and write whatever you want to write. You can describe your everyday, you can describe your importance day, whatever you want to write, but please write it. It is really help you to improve your language and your writing skills. I hope you get very clear idea about its structure, its form, and how to write in your examination. What sort of things you have supposed to write. It is about a 50 or 60 words, so please minimize your experience with minimum words. So minimize your stuff. Whatever you want to experience, you have supposed to write down with the help of the minimum words of 50. Okay, I hope you liked it. I hope you get idea about your diary writing. Take care. Bye bye.